Today is August 1st, and we want to give you the first look at kind of what La Bestioni, the Beast of Turin, is going to look like. I want you to see it with the radiator in situ, and just put the headlight things in position just to show you what this is going to look like, just to give you a little bit of an idea. We did finally get the other wheels, rims coming. Anyhow, this is, you're starting to see a little bit of what this is going to look like with the radiator in place. And this is our back shot of it. I want you to look at is this an absolute gas? This is going to be our Beast of Turin. We haven't put any of the rims or rings or anything on. Everything is just temporarily just to show you what it's going to look like. But I'm going to tell you, kids, this is going to be a real powerhouse. And by the way, say hello to Andreas.
Hi there.
And hello from me, Gary. We just give you a quick little roundabout of the shop. It's busy, messy, but if it's messy and busy, that's a good sign, because that's telling you you're doing what the hell you're supposed to be doing. Anyway, just a little update on the Beast of Turin.